Test 1, 2, 3, testing. What should do I know using it? What's up, lads? This is my trade brew right now. And wait for the lads to join the call. Wait for the lads to join the call so we can get cracking here. Hope everyone's doing good. Monday, a new week and a new month on the charts. If you know, you know. Let's get started, bro. New month on the charts. And if I was to put this one. That was the most recent swing. I'm waiting for the guys to join the call. How do I remove this stupid line? I could say that. I could also say this. Put some music in the background as well.
Sell to millions of people online with Shopify's social media and marketplace integrations.
A bit of music in the background. Test 1, 2, 3. Testing. Just testing the market is decent enough. Sorry for the echo, guys. Test 1, 2, 3. Testing. Wait, let me fix this desktop audio. Okay. The trade brewing for the gang. Let me test out the stream again. Cause I'm not sure. The trade brewing for the gang. Yeah, I think that's better now. For all the people watching the live stream, I know it's only 2 right now. There's a trade brewing for us. Take it at your own risk. Use proper risk management. If it's a W, it's a W. If it's a loss, it's a loss. Just waiting for the guys to join so we can do our analysis. Where the boys are? I'm trying to. Join the call, join the call. Let's get this cracking.
Yo,
Yo, what's happening?
wait, why are we on this?
Oh, cause I'm on live. I'm on the live stream. And I'm bored. Yeah. Is E-Man here? E-Man.
What's up, lad?
What's happening? What happened to your mic? Bro, you need to fix your microphone, man. Every time you have to jam microphone like. Wait, let me raise you man up. Let me put. Oh wait. Yo, E-Man, can you check my stream to see wait. Can you check my stream to see if the music is too loud? Open volume max Microsoft Edge down to like, I think this will fix it. If I put Microsoft Edge to 40, put Discord to 100, system sounds down to like 25.
It's on Twitch or what?
No, it's on my PS. So we did the market analysis when that's sorted. Can you see? Is it? Wait, let me just play on this.
The link now. The music's not there like that.
Calm. Let's do our market analysis. E-Man, do you want to start first?
That's gold. Let me show you.
Do you want to do DXY or do you want to do gold?
Doing gold, to be honest.
By the way, E-Man, the other fella in the call is Ibra. He's my good mate, and Ibra, this fella is E-Man. I don't know if I ever told you about the 14-year-old that can trade, or he's learning how to trade.
Oh, yeah, shit.
Yeah. Gives him. He's vexed. You'll see his analysis now. Yo, share your screen. Let's look at Iman's analysis. See what he said.
Let me actually remove some of this.
Yeah, no, remove all your drugs. Remove all everything. Just do everything like that. You're in the same position as me. Let's go. You're looking for the same buys, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, the same position as me. You're just in on the 5 minute.
I just go back onto the daily. Since, obviously, I've been saying before, when you have your range, and this day swept the low, and the body closed above it, I'd obviously be expecting the next day to be bullish.
Yeah.
At least sweep the stays low and then go up. So I came down to here.
What's
Obviously
that?
marked the previous day's low
Yeah. Okay.
first
Yeah.
as liquidity. And
That's what.
basically have a couple like relevant lows. So I knew that was gonna be wanted. Then I was just waiting for like market structure shift. Fair value gap here to an entry here, but realistically, this is a fair enough entry because sometimes price can run off.
I don't remember. That's not in a discount, so it's not a fair enough entry. You know what I mean? That's why
Yeah, but
that's why I didn't enter there, because
mm,
like it should go further down, because we're not on a discount, especially on the if you're on the 15 minute, right? Exactly. Yeah, that's why I entered. We're not on a discount at all.
it's true, yeah. But
So I'm waiting for
what
the
I
discount to get
most
touched.
like I'd wait for price to maybe come down to this fair
Exactly.
value
Yeah,
gap,
yeah.
and then
That's an entry at that fair value. You can enter
yeah.
anywhere at that fair value. But
But you, yeah,
I'm waiting for that 0.62 level on the
yeah,
on the
it's
Fibonacci, innit?
I would say yeah,
I could miss the trade just because I'm waiting for that. But then you see the way it's consolidated at that 5 minute, yeah. We're looking for
yeah,
the dip for the same accumulation,
exactly, yeah,
manipulation, and distribution. And then manipulation always happens where at a PDA. At a PDA array. And our PDA array here is what? Is technically a breaker block on a fair value gap. Or you can just call it a fair value gap, it's up to you, but it just
yeah.
depends, like. So that's basically, and then where is your TP and your stocks? Explain that to the people.
TP would most likely be previous day's high. Well, obviously that won't be hit by today, but my main target would be previous day's high.
Previous days highs.
Yeah, that would be probably might not be hit by today. I mean, you have a couple of candles here, no wicks,
How about news?
fair value gap.
Walk us through what news is saying.
Sorry,
Walk us through what news is saying.
what you mean? Yeah, I can't hear you.
Walk us through what news is saying. What's
Right,
the
higher.
news like today?
Oh yeah. So there's USD news at 8:45 and 9. So most likely, that was done. Just
By the way, this his time zone has changed to New York time zone.
in New York time, yeah.
So 9 a.m. is what for us? 10.
Something like that. Well,
9 a.m. is 10.
realistically, I don't even be checking. I don't really be converting the time, man. I just
No,
easier
but
just
9
putting my
a.m. is not 10. What am I saying? 9
yeah, no,
a.m. is 1.
or just 4 or 5 hours behind, man. Whatever,
9
they're
a.m.
5 hours
should be 1.
behind. Yeah. So it's just better off having my chart set to it. So yeah, that's what I'm saying. Um, you never know. Could even just consolidate. Oh
My
no,
mm, my target is actually where you see the fair value gap.
yeah,
Because I think overall we're still coming down. Because if you look at the weekly and everything, it hasn't came down for that retracement into discount. Like we're still in a premium. So I'm
yeah,
thinking it'll come down, and it will come down into that discount and do the yearly consolidation in the next 4 months.
true.
That's what I'm taking for gold anyways.
Yeah,
What's your what's your DXY set?
that's the why. Nah. Yeah. So with the XY, obviously I do the same thing, just first marking daily high and daily low. Right, this day is the body closed before this day's low,
Yeah.
and this low here failed to sweep this low. So I'm thinking price could come down and sweep this
Relative
liquidity.
equal lows, yeah.
Yeah,
That's relative equal lows. So that's the liquidity lies there, and we're already out of fair value gap. So you could technically be looking for
yeah,
sales on EURUSD and GBPUSD. But the only reason I wouldn't do it is just because it's a Monday.
yeah, exactly, yeah.
And this like gold, you can trade gold on a Monday. With these pairs on a Monday, using the strat doesn't work out usually in our favor. As we've
EURUSD.
seen many times. Look at that. Wait, are you in this?
This as I left the main move at the top and then just moved this move a bit like up to here. I didn't really mind taking that lot, to be honest. So I caught it from up here, left around here because of market close.
No, market close.
It was
Okay.
on Friday, man. So you like on Friday,
What
sometimes
time? What time you entered that on then?
I
What time was
entered
that candle?
this. Sorry,
What time was that candle that you entered on?
here 10.
Oh
So this is
yeah.
like a bit after news, man. And I had my main thing was these two relevant highs and also sweeping this day's high. But obviously, and like the news came out and swept it off. I waited for it to cool down a bit and had a swing low formed here. Swing low formed there too. A fair value gap. And after that, stops above this high. And the main target would be here, but I wouldn't really like holding positions past market open because
Yeah.
usually what would happen is just like especially with this breaker
Cause
block move to they just end up hunting your stop loss on Monday.
so
So
what?
yeah,
Are you planning on getting into more sales to that area or to that area or what?
maybe I just need to see what the XY is saying because obviously if the XY is feeling bearish, then
DXY is. I think we should just let if. Let me share my screen. Wait, you know. How do I do this? See on the DXY, yeah. Wait, are you here?
yeah,
So as you did, like I marked this place. From here, I kind of knew price is gonna keep going up because I've seen this from the monthly. Because keep in mind we're in a new month. Keep in mind we just started a new month. Look how the monthly candle closed with liquidity line here, equal highs. And if you look at the swing low, we came into the discount to buy into a fair value gap, which is kind of the only fair value gap in this whole thing that hasn't been filled. Except if you want to look at this small one here, but it only hasn't been filled. Now we're in the consolidation. It was consolidation. It came, swept all these lows. Fair value gap pushed up, protected this low, pushed up. Yeah. So I'm thinking price will come into here for the yearly consolidation in the next 4 months, or I might
yeah,
even break this high around this area, around this candle area for the next 4 months. Yeah. And if you look at the weekly, we're in this. If I was to draw my fib 2 as well, we came into the 50% right inside of an order block. There is a fair value gap here, so I don't really know what price wants to do. That's my thing. If obviously it's Monday, so it's creating the opposite end of the range. How it's looking is like it might come down
exactly.
further. How it's looking right now, because it did already create a bottom wick, so it could just push up from here. But usually, for what I see, the opposite, the weekly opposite range, opposite side of the range is created on Monday, Tuesday. So if I see this keep pushing up Tuesday, I'm not seeing it trying to take out highs like that. I see the kind of reversal on Wednesday. That I know I'm probably going to try to take out these lows. Then in a couple of weeks, try to go to this fair value gap to push up. Because that fair value gap is actually an OTE. It's actually an OTE. And for you, I don't know what OTE is. Like, if you do my mentorship, you know what OTE is. It's just, if you do my mentorship, you know what OTE is. I can't even talk too tough about that. You know what I mean? But yeah, so that's what I'm looking for there. So I think your USD and we don't really touch your USD and GBPUSD. Now let's look at British pound to euro. Let's see who really has the strength right now. And as we can see, this is clearly who has the strength here, man. Clearly, pound has the strength here, but it's coming down for consolidation. So for the next few days, though, like from Wednesday, pound should have the strength as we see the huge consolidation. After we've seen the consolidation, what do we see? The liquidity sweep into this fair value gap over here.
Yeah.
It's in the liquidity sweep into this fair value gap over here. For price to come back into the consolidation, back into another pressure rate to push back up higher, break these highs. So simple textbook AMD here, sell side liquidity to buy side liquidity for the continuation of maybe take out these highs. We haven't kind of went into this fair value gap all the way here, but not really, like we just tapped it. So maybe this comes down to here or here and it pushes back up. If you look at for this, then yeah, just have to come down a little bit, push back up. So we know what we want to be trading from Tuesday, Wednesday. We know we want to be trading pound to euro. Pound to USD. And as you can see, pound to USD is even way more. It's way cleaner than your USD. Look how cleaner that is. And I don't mind giving this information out because I've already given this information out and then free videos anyways. You know what I mean? I already gave this information out. Look how clean, like the email. I don't know if you use this method as well. They're looking at the pound euro to gauge which currency to trade.
Yeah,
this
You know,
is so good, bro.
it's all in the mentorship and
It's all in the
stuff that
mentorship,
you
bro.
vids too. So it's up to people if they want to actually
Mentorship is crazy, bro.
put in a bit of time to watch them free vids too.
Yeah, their free vids are very valuable. I'll be sorry, they shouldn't have even been free, but it is what it is, man. Sometimes it actually is what it is. But yeah, that's my outlook now. Let's look at gold. Let's look at gold. Now let's start from the weekly. I'm not gonna start from the monthly. The monthly has done its own thing. Start from the weekly. Let me remove all my drawings. So last week we closed kind of like a hammer. We closed below, kind of closed below this wick or at the wick, kind of. Swept here, came lower. Now this wick already passed this low, so seeing a possible a slight reversal, but I'm still
Yeah,
overall for.
yeah. Most likely they
Exactly,
just creating a higher than opposite, like the rest, just opposite.
I'm still looking for. Look at the swing low here. I'm still looking for it to go down further. I'm looking
Yeah,
for it to go down further to at least. You already know, at least a discount, don't I?
yeah,
Favor is only typing now. And then obviously, yeah, this is OTE around here as well. So I want price to do that. Maybe I'm asking for a lot. Maybe I'm not. But I don't know. I want price to come all the way here. And price is probably gonna come down here for the consolidation of the year. Anyways.
exactly. Yeah, I'm thinking just right now is just the best time to be getting in your main trades
Exactly, your
until that
main trade.
consolidation.
That's what I'm thinking. If you look at the weekly, you see where I said I want price to come up here and then you have a sell off. I'm looking for price to come here. Because look at
Yeah,
this here. We have, obviously, we're at a fair value gap now. So that's already an obstruction of price at this fair value gap here. It's
yeah,
already an obstruction of price. So price needs more structure to push past that fair value gap in that. So
mm,
we're looking for, and even if you look at the simple look, we're not at a discount. So we're looking at this breaker block, obviously microstructure shift, another microstructure shift, so it's even double confirmation.
yeah,
So we need to take out these lows, and the liquidity lies here. So we took out the sell side kind of. Now we're inside this consolidation zone, so there's liquidity up here as well, relatively wise kind of. Take out this low into this fair value gap, and that would be our target for the next couple
yeah.
days, in my
The
opinion. The
next
next
couple
couple
of
days.
days, and
Cause,
hopefully have a sell off after that.
exactly, yeah. Cause you know what it is. Even if that wasn't our target, price is that the price fully respects this and pushes up higher.
And even if it
So
pushes up
exactly,
higher,
even if it pushes up higher, we're
it's back.
still gonna hit our target
Yeah,
regardless. Unless price just continues down and just does what it wants to do, then it is what it is. We are trading gold. This is
yeah,
gold. It is what it is. Like sometimes you just have to say it is what it is. Like, you get me? Even if you look at this, we're in a clear consolidation. We just hit sell side liquidity, literally just hit sell side liquidity. Now we're
exactly.
looking for
Now you're just trying to get best
just trying to get the
positions.
buy side liquidity into
Exactly.
what the premium. We
Yeah.
literally look at hourly, same thing. If we even look at the internal,
Look, I mean, you can
look at this.
see, you can literally see the free moves
You can see
the
a free,
people
bro. You can
getting.
literally see a free move. Look at this, yeah. I literally taught this in the mentorship in the last video. Accumulation, manipulation. Loads of
And the
people bought here.
distribution. Yeah,
Distribution. Now, what are we looking into now? We're looking to get back into here for it to continue its move, break up block, fair value gap, setup to continue its move. But now, people are not seeing this. This is a consolidation itself. This here is a consolidation itself. What happened?
same thing happened again.
Same thing's happening. Now
Like
we're
it's
trying to get back here. It's textbook, 24/7. It's
exactly.
textbook trading every single time. It's just us and our psychology sometimes, and just our learning patterns and shit. So
Yeah,
that's basically how I came to a conclusion of my thing. I take my stuff off the 15 minute. I stopped taking it off the 5 minute nowadays because
yeah.
it's still kind
My
of the
entry
same
would
thing.
just most likely be 5 minutes now, but
Yeah, if I use my fit
15
two,
minutes main.
if I use my OG2 and I change my template to microstructure shift, aiming for these highs. Looking for buyers at the start of this OTE.
It's all just about giving it some time, to be honest. And like, I mean, if you miss the move, you miss the move. You always have your next move to go for anyway. But waiting for it to come down to that fair value gap is reasonable. It's the most common sense position, to be honest. I think your mic's muted, man. Yo.
So I'm back. Man, share your screen. Let me, because I want to be AFK. You can just talk to the people. Wait, Ibra, are you here? Because bro's muted. Let me text this guy. Bro, what's favor for his own analysis, man?
Like, yeah. Because I think we have our own ones pretty much wrapped up. Just patience now for gold.
Literally patience, bro.
Then
I'm not trying to draw too much for the stream. And I also don't want them to know how I'm getting into my positions. So I'm just doing this.
It's like it's just some things can be told, but it's just some people need to be dedicated enough to actually watch
Exactly.
the vids.
Dedicated to watch, bro.
Like the free vids there are helpful.
I actually might just be doing this stack 270. I might just be doing just live streams so that like I can just have my own documentation of how this shit goes, every day. Cause I'm full-time trading now, kind of. You know what I mean?
Understandable.
Left my job and everything. Cause there was no point in me being in that job. I can't be making fucking 500 a week when I make that. When I make 10k a month through trading. Does that make any sense? Oh my days.
Well,
That
I
make
mean,
any sense? It makes no sense. Not
still
even
like
10k a
I
month through
think it's
trading.
still a
Like
matter of just like I think it's just a matter of just boredom.
bro, it's a matter of boredom,
Like
bro. God knows. Like I have to
obviously
start
like
getting into the gym and shit now. Obviously,
yeah,
I had a few goals this year in a month, and I had a few goals, and a few of them were. I had my goals was to get into trading proper. Like I was already into trading, but the next level of trading, yeah, new strat, everything. And then my second was discipline, and my third was fitness. I have my fitness goal in it. Now, the first 6 months was just mainly just trading. Trading goal was kind of accomplished, and now the second month is obviously through trading. I have discipline, but I feel like my discipline is going to be the next level when like the fitness comes in as well, if that makes sense.
yeah,
So that's what I'm trying to do for the next 6 months, personally, especially the summer to the end of the year. Obviously, I want to still be trading, but trading only takes so much of your time.
yeah.
I still have from like 3 o'clock free every single day. I even trading itself like I could be doing a full out workout while trading. I just have my alerts set. Let's see what favors.
Just need to be grinding at the same strat I'm using now over and over again, making sure I pick up more things. Simple.
Guys, we have favor coming through as well to the stream.
At least we get to see it on a Spawn Resistance
Yeah, sponsors
perspective
perspective
and
as
the
well.
build.
Everybody's perspective is
Yeah.
respected here.
But at least even with support resistance, as long as you have the correct levels, you can still
Yeah,
get
the
safe
correct
check.
levels. The exact same thing. But
Yeah.
just to think about, like, I feel like every strategy works. It's just 90% of traders.
Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly. Yeah.
And everything you trade, 90% of people trade because of as Omar said it in that podcast, it's the development of the trader. So people
Yeah.
just see the pattern and they enter. It doesn't matter. They can see on the 1 minute, the 2 minute, the 4 minute. Like they can see it on the 4 hour, the weekly, and they'll enter. Like,
I mean, as long as you have everything on lock and you're seeing it consistently, then yeah.
how's how's your colors on TradingView?
What?
Like your colors. How's your chart? Let me see. Let me see your chart TradingView, cause bro, I can never really read your chart. I don't know where.
I literally just changed it Friday because I don't know with the
You know, this dark screen, bro. Change that shit to white,
big
bro. You're gonna actually love it. Change it to white. You're gonna be like, this is sick.
bro. It's just like if I'm studying in the night or so, that's when This guy's toast, man. Your eyes, you literally know what I say, man. Damn,
Because you
that's
have a gradient.
let me put back solid.
Nah, see, you see our gray boxes, you have to change them. Actually, no, you don't. Yeah, put this white. Yo, bro, that's Scott, bro. That's
Actually,
tar.
yeah.
That's cold. See, bro, things look easier like this, man. Bro's out there doing all the phenomenal.
It's
And
my
this Lego
favorite.
joint.
And to be honest, literally, these people that are getting properly into studying, it should be like summer is just the best time
Bro,
because like
honestly, man.
you have that consolidation. There's no excuse of like, yeah, you want to just be trading because you shouldn't even be trading like that. Or at least if you're trading, just taking smaller positions, using smaller lot sizes. Because there's no point. You're not gonna find big moves like that.
Yeah, like it's.
And you
This,
market most likely will be in your favor anyway.
we're in the. We're still in Q2, right? No,
Mm.
we're in Q3 right now. No. This is the last month of Q2. Yeah, and if we're going off true times, well, this is the last month of Q2, if I'm not mistaken. Or is this Q3? I know December. Okay, December is the true start of the year. Yeah. So
Yeah.
Q1 is December, January, February. Then we have March, April, May. Oh yeah, this is Q3. Yeah, this is the start of Q3. This is the start of the true Q3. True Q3. I'm just waiting for this to come down to our levels. This is exactly what I wanted. Consolidation. When you see consolidation, when you see consolidation before your entry point, and it goes to your entry point before it pushes up, you are so Scott. Like you're actually so Scott. Now I might miss this trade because it might just not touch my points, but it doesn't matter as long as your analysis and the way you thought about how it would work was correct. That's all that matters.
Exactly. Yeah.
It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter
You're
if you
gonna
lose
miss
the trade.
moves.
We have no FOMO around here. Like it's better to miss a trade than to lose it.
Yeah.
It's better to miss a trade all day than to lose that trade. I'm telling you guys now.
I think that was the main thing when I was starting, and like most beginners too, is just like after you miss your move, you're trying to find
Trying to find a re-entry, just to enter at a ship point. Like,
and
let it
then
go.
all the time that re-entry and that new position is just always messed up. Like
And it's like sometimes in that re-entry, when you're supposed to be in profit, you're like, I'm meant to be in profit now, and you re-enter.
yeah, exactly, yeah.
There's a lot of times you re-enter where like you would have broken even on your trade. So it's like you're re-entering at a break-even point. So you know that point is a point of reversal, and you're now entering because of FOMO. We have no FOMO around here. I'm telling you now, no FOMO around here. Obviously,
You would just get stopped there.
yeah. Obviously, it's easier said than done. Saying, oh, no FOMO, no whatever. It's easier said than done, but trust me, FOMO is a killer, bro. Everything in life, FOMO is a killer and a half, bro. Have no fear of missing out. Know the bigger picture. You know your setup occurs. When your setup occurs, you have your 90% win rate. Why would you settle for a 50% win rate when you know your setup is 90%? Or why would you settle for something that has less than a 50% win rate when you know you could just wait for your setup and get your 70%, your 80% win rate setup? It's like, why? It's just greed. It's like, oh, I can make money now. Oh my god, like I need to place a trade. Well, chill out. Obviously, it's easier said when for somebody that has already made
Yeah,
a decent amount, but I'm not even close to where I could be. I could make 10k today. If I was to over risk this trade now, I can make 10k today. Like
that's what lots of people are starting to do now. New traders.
new traders are trying to over risk. Like I don't know. If I was a new trader, the best thing for you to do is get a platform account because it teaches you risk management. That's that's the
Yeah,
one thing I really like about platforms, that it teaches you risk management, bro. That's the one thing I really like about platforms.
risk management,
Cause
and just
yeah, go on.
you have to make sure you have a strategy and lock and all. Cause like with new rules and all, Jordan, you have to calculate what positions you're taking. So it's no over leveraging. Cause prop firms don't want traders like that. You see
Platforms
people
don't
even
want
get
traders like that. Even
like getting banned.
platforms themselves, they don't really care about you, but still,
Yeah,
they know you're not a proper trader. They
exactly.
some platforms use your data to trade and shit, but if you're a gambler, you're a gambler. Like it's simple as like there's a difference. There's a very very thin line from trading and gambling. There's
Yeah.
a very very thin line.
And gamblers teaching gamblers, isn't it?
It's
And
gamblers are teaching gamblers. It's
it's
crazy.
always gamblers trying to
Always
act
gamblers.
like they're the disciplined ones.
They're not, bro. They'll and they'll say something like fucking yeah, sell when there's CPI coming in 2 minutes or whatever. And
Yeah,
sometimes they win, but in the long run, you will get cooked. I
exactly.
promise you.
Yeah,
I promise you get cooked. The only people who can trade CPI news and FOMC are inside traders, and inside trading is even illegal, unless somehow you're an inside trader, which fair play, but I don't believe you're an inside trader.
inside traders will always be caught, man.
Bro,
Like
if I was inside trader, bro, I'd put you,
you
bro.
actually can't lie when you're an inside
You
trader.
can't laugh, bro. Imagine being an inside trader. Yeah, they say, oh, CPI. Every single news, I'm catching it. I'm full point in my account
Yeah,
every
you
single
know,
time.
I would just be calling my kids and calling my wife and telling them, yo, sure at this position, like
So I
you
did this
can't
position straight, bro.
can't lack.
You can't lack. Like, how can you lack? Say, put, put the whole account on this cell. Price is gonna go down now, bro. That's crazy. Niggas are actually making bank like that, bro. It's
That's the
crazy.
thing. Like, I don't think obviously you can find a way to like most times or sometimes know where news is going based off your analysis and all. But just
Yo, what happened to your mic?
yo,
Start going weird.
it's like I'm saying, obviously, like you can know where news is going sometimes, but like realistically, it doesn't really matter if you know you're not trading news. Just have your analysis, have your points that you think price might reach into. Like if you have liquidity marked, most times you'll see news targeting that liquidity.
Yeah, you're right.
That's what we seen on Friday on gold. I think it's up here, man. Like this liquidity here. When the price was around here, we had a bit of a consolidation. I knew price would be coming up to here, sweeping this high. News came out, swapped it, caught a sell around here.
Yeah,
Uh,
I assume you got those.
and then now, just chilling for a new position.
Yeah, I always thought that the one thing that professors have taught me is how to adapt to different risks and risk management, and how to actually manage other people's capital. Because on my capital, I don't mind risking 10%. It doesn't matter how much I have. Like I have 100k, so I don't mind risking 10%. But if I want to invest the capital or profit from capital, I can't do that. It's just what it
Mm,
is, and it teaches me how to adapt because obviously I can trade. I've been trading. I usually just use a fixed lot size.
mm,
Like so, let's say I had like 10k in account. I'll use a one lot. for every. I use like 2 lots for every trade. Yeah, I have 2 TPs. I have one. Like I have 1 TP, and then I just have like a runner into my long-term TP or whatever. But now, like that, I'll be risking like sometimes I risk like 5%.
Mm.
So, but now I can do that with a prop firm. No way.
True.
Wait, let's actually see. At least you start 100k funded. Let's see how big are these stops. 64 pips is it? So let's see how much that is. What lot size calculator do you use actually? I use this FX verify lot size thing.
You have VX. Remove the V at the start because
Oh
you put VX instead of FX.
yeah. This is what I use anyways.
Yeah.
It says 65. I always put like an extra.
Just round it up.
Let's just say 65. You know, I'm just going 2%. That's what I do on platforms, especially when I just start them. The tree lot. I'm just gonna place a tree lot. This is a 1 to 3, so now I could just aim for a 1 to 2, which would be way safer, which is the start of it's actually the start of the 4-hour fair value gap. But sure, look, we shall see. This might be the push we need down. Hopefully this gets touched before. I don't lie, I don't even think it's gonna get touched, bro. When I deep it, kill zone is over as well. But I don't know how do you feel about the kill zones?
It's just like right now, like right there. How can you catch a trade with that? Like it depends on what day it is because like today it's just a matter of letting price sweep what has to be swept. Like
Yeah.
you couldn't really enter that fully unless you entered off 1 minute or so. But
Even off 1 minute,
I
you can
don't
still able to enter that, bro.
I don't use kill zones all the time, to be honest.
Yeah, I'm trying to backtest it because
Yeah,
there's different kill zones as well. There's a silver bullet kill zone, which is but that's a scalp like proper 1 minute strategy,
yeah,
which I'm not gonna dive into the 1 minute strategy and shit. And then there's the 2 to 5 London, which we're about to pass now, or we've already passed 7 to 10 times. 2 to 5, yeah, we already passed that, so there was no. We also had this. Oh, let me see if you could have caught this in 5 minutes. Could have.
you
Or
could have caught it. Or like if you're entering off 1 minute, but it's just like
I don't think I would have. Like, I don't even think I would have entered that, bro, because there's no clear MSS.
yeah.
There was no clear MSS. Like that wouldn't be an MSS. I wouldn't have considered that an MSS. I just wouldn't have. I would have considered this, yeah, Microsoft point, and this even better.
It's just honestly, there's 2 ways news could go. Probably if price fully wanted, like, which would be a bit weird if it fully just kept going sideways and then price just
Yeah,
a
price
sharp movement into fair value
yeah,
gap
and
and
the news was the
go.
one that pushed it down. But we have loads of time to news, 2:45
Yeah,
and 3. That's loads of time. So we have loads of time to hit our area. And then you know what, news is not gonna even do anything too tough. I want that area to get hit before news, and then news to push it up at the very end.
yeah, exactly. Yeah,
That's what I'm looking at. We're kind of seeing higher highs, higher lows. No, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows being Show the CR area at the top here. Consolidation here, which is expected. That's what we like to see. That's what we like to see, fam.
See, my favorite. Either so you can do
Oh shit, it's mute. I didn't even know bro joined. Let's see what favorite has in store for us. The master analysis. The master analysis. Bro, man, the boys are getting there though. The boys are getting there.
Oh,
Man's life,
small,
the
small.
boys are getting there. Favor has his ship patterned nearly down to a T. You as well have your ship pattern nearly down to a T. It's just a matter of just compounding our fundings, bro. Getting our payouts,
Exactly.
compounding our fundings, psychology. Oh my god, literally.
Oh man,
Obviously,
I'm gonna be up Alpha Capsule from now on, guy.
Alpha Capital was what
Like
it's
just
like.
how I don't
I'm
know,
sorry,
just
Alpha
equity edge
Capital
is
is what it's
just
like.
they just like
Edge,
even
man.
weird.
If I'm not even big enough. Nobody's watching this stream, but if for fuck Equity Edge, bro.
I'm so like it's
Fuck
just
Equity Edge.
even just in the whole support and all. So they just move weird, man. And the
Bro,
rubbish that I was seeing,
how,
like how was it? I'm
how,
trying to clutch up in accounts, and I
bro,
couldn't
how
even
can
close
you have a
partials.
funded account there and they have people watching the trade and then they can just close the
Exactly,
trade and say, oh, it was a gamble. How do you know it's a gamble? You don't even know
exactly.
my analysis. You're saying it's a gamble. Like, what's gambling there? I'm risking 2%. I'm risking 1 or 2%, and my TP is somewhere. It was a reasonable thing, and they said I was in profit, and they closed it.
That's the stupid thing. Like, is
How
it
was I
their
in
own?
profit and they
Is
closed
it
it, and
their
the price
own
went to
money?
my
Like,
TP? It's
because realistically, yeah, you paid for the accounts, and you're catching a fair trade
a fair trade,
with
and
2%.
then they have the audacity to close my trade.
You're
What?
saying it's a gamble. Why are you even stalking and hawking
Why are
over
you
the
stalking
accounts?
someone's account? Like, it's
Like,
a
let it
demo.
be. If they win, they win. If they lose,
Like,
they lose.
it's literally a demo account.
Exactly. That's what I mean. Like,
It's literally a demo account. Yeah. If I win, I win. If I lose, I lose. If I really am a gambler, I'm not gonna get a payout, or I'm not gonna get it consistently, anyways.
exactly.
So
And that's like, why would they even do that? At least even if you took it, yeah, and you lost, is that not good for them? They're getting free money.
yeah,
Like,
exactly.
but I don't know which gamble they're talking about. Like,
And just
and half of, you know, I mean, I even act like I'm a pro trader like that, but like half of them, they're not even traders.
I promise you, because I don't even know for that company, bro. Let's see what Trader Nick is saying for the fundamentals. I was trying to watch one of his videos, but he wasn't talking about fundamentals. Bro was talking about some next shit. Like, the bro was talking about like my trading results. He didn't even upload. Bro was talking about my trading results, how to roll options, my winning strategies for trading indices. Nigga.
This guy's stupid, man.
Bro,
This guy, he's trying to make a report on this equity edge trading Discord or whatever. And that was my man sending his full account, like sending account number, email and all.
God.
Because I don't know, half the time their tickets aren't working, man. Like you can't make a report where you're having to tag them in public chat.
That's crazy. That's absolutely crazy. Absolutely obnoxious. That's obnoxious. Sorry, obnoxious.
How can the guy say I was supposed to request pay, I was unable to. I reached out to the support. They told me it's been resolved. I'm trying to request today. It's not giving me the option. Why are you guys frustrating all your loyal traders? Do you want
That's
me to
funny.
go live on social media right now I say bad things about the prop firm. You wrote it all caps too.
That sounds like a Do you want me to
This
go on
unknown
social
guy.
media now?
He's saying you want me to go live
Do you want me to
and
go
let
on
me
social
disgrace
media
this.
now?
Because if my issue isn't fixed in an hour, I'll do the worst and go live. Oh
Don't let
man,
me overreact now. Don't
I
let
can
me
understand
overreact
what he
now.
means, but like, still, there's no need. I get what he means, but
I just
who is he
realized.
to be going live and actually have someone to care about it? Because realistically, they're just gonna delete his comments. Nah, you see, these man are doing so because it's not like Discord tickets are broken or so. It's every single time that their tickets aren't working. When it comes to people trying to complain, the tickets won't work.
Yeah, bro, I could took it on not work on a Discord forever.
Exactly. You get me? It's
That's
literally
the
just a
easiest
bot.
thing to do. It doesn't make sense.
And these people have to be typing in public chat. And then the only thing that's gonna happen is they're gonna delete it or just fully ignore it.
This guy's watching it.
He's watching.
No, there's someone. One of my mates is asking me a question right now. He's asking it on Snap though.
Bro.
It's fair value. Okay.
Oh, is he asking what's the favorite rally guy?
Ask a question in the chat. Tell him to ask a question in the chat.
Yeah, let them know any questions. Just text in the chat, man.
Yeah, just ask a question in the chat and then so you can explain what a fair value gap and what it is. Wait, Eman, I know you know what a fair value gap is, but
Yeah.
do you know the theory of a fair value gap?
Yeah.
Let's explain to these lot. Let's explain to these lot what a fair value gap is, right? So
The main
Eman,
thing.
do you want to go explain? I'll let Eman explain to you. One of my students explained. Alright, go on.
Yeah. Let me just get a clear chat up.
Yeah, let me go
So I
into
can
this chat.
explain.
Bro, what's Honcho?
Try-
Master analysis.
Alright, here's a good example. Are you in my live stream, yeah?
Yeah, I knew that, bro.
Alright, okay. So a fair value gap would be you'd have one candle, so it's 3 candles altogether.
Yeah.
And you'd have 1, 2, and 3. And there's a little gap in between the 3 of them. And what happens is
Eman, you know what it is, yeah? Make your background back to the color
yeah.
cost to make it more,
So
cause
what
you
would
can't
be
see the
is
wicks. You can't really see the wicks on my screen,
alright.
especially for the grey candles.
Yeah, let me try up the quality on this.
Nah, just change the background. That seems
Alright.
better. Just change the background of your thing real quick. Just change the back. Yeah,
Something like
that's
that.
good.
Yeah. So you'd have 3 candles, 1, 2, and 3. And then what you'd see is a gap in between the first candle and the third candle. There's another one up here too, but let me show you this one. What would be from the close of this candle or the wick, whatever. Yeah, just the wick. And then up to this open of this candle here. Another example would be this here. Fair value gap here too, and a fair value gap here too. But the only thing is to get higher probability ones, you'd wait for obviously like your liquidity sweep and a clear bias. And what it is just it's lots of momentum pushing one way. Then the market leaves these small imbalances, as they call them, or gaps.
Where fair value gap and the imbalance is the same thing.
It's the same thing, yeah.
It's just different names.
And it's just say lots of buying momentum, and this was pushing up so quick that it leaves these imbalances that have to be filled eventually. And there's a good example of price coming down into it, filling it, and going back up. An example of it would be like using just a paint roller, rolling it up super quick, and then you have those little gaps where paint doesn't touch, and then you have to come back down and fill that in, and then go back to what you're doing. So say I've just use a quick example. So I've pushed price up super quickly, and then it's left a little gap here, and then I have to end up coming down, filling it, and then going back up, because you're not going to just leave it. And it doesn't mean it's always going to be filled, and that doesn't mean any little fair value gap you enter off of, especially when you have, if you don't have your main bias correct, then you're just entering on, like,
if
you enter
your
off
other
this.
stuff is not correct and you haven't learned about discounts or premiums and all that stuff,
Yeah, exactly.
the fair value gaps are not going to work. And if you don't have the correct bias, your fair value gap is not going to work. But they do get filled all the time. But doesn't mean that they're going to get filled and reject. There's two different things. They do get filled 24/7, but it's not all the time they get filled and they reject.
Yeah, exactly. Like, sometimes it can take its time. An example would be like this fair value gap here, this small little one. Like, it took a while, ended up getting filled a good couple hours later, and then a nice strong push up. Yeah. Same as here, news came out. Lots of buying momentum to the point that it just left these imbalances.
Huge imbalance. Then they got filled, but it didn't get rejected off. It just got filled.
Exactly,
I
yeah.
went the other direction. So that's how your bias would have to be correct for that to work.
Yeah, all these things, like most of them are even in the free vids, which will be left in the link in the bio on the YouTube and on other platforms anyway.
Yeah,
And
exactly.
more in depth.
But for you to actually have a proper fair value gap that actually works, there's a lot more that goes into it. But the actual structure of
More
a
in
fair
depth
value
would
gap
be
is just
in the mentorship.
it's just that.
That's just basically the main thing.
Price is taking time to come to our area though. Taking
Yeah.
a pick.
I mean, that's obviously just because of news.
Favorite fella, man.
Yeah.
I'm trying to end this, but I'm trying to do the analysis to all have on video, so we can see everybody's analysis. Then hop off. Oh my days, Favor will not kill me today.
What did he say now? Alright. Let's just hop on to something else while we're waiting. Like, you can see, like, thing about the strategies that Shosky's gonna teach you is, like, you can still see on different currency pairs. Like, it's not only USD and like, same things happening here. It's on random pair GBP JPY.
Anything. It happens everywhere, but the only reason I trade the 3 pairs I trade is because I started off with gold, and for GBPUSD and EURUSD, I can use the DXY and pound
Yeah,
to euro
exactly.
to gauge.
They
That's
actually
the only
have
reason.
a inverse pair
Yeah,
to
the inverse
back your
pairs to
bias.
gauge. Yeah, but if you guys have watched my free videos, you can also have your inverse pairs to
Yeah,
trade any pair you want. But I just use these 3 pairs because I can't do
these
everything.
are the strongest.
Exactly, and my analysis is not as simple. I can't do my analysis for every single pair.
Yeah,
It's
exactly. Yeah,
gonna take too long. That's gonna be too complicated. So I just narrow it down to 3 pairs. That's all I need. It's not about being greedy. You don't need that much pairs. Like you catch the same trades everywhere. You don't need to be focused on all the pairs in the world. Like I see people
yeah,
trading pound, euro, and shit.
yeah,
Like
exactly. Yeah,
trading everything. I've never heard any proper trader trade pound euro, but some people find success in whatever they find success in. The same way I personally don't know anything about futures. Like
yeah.
people trade it and they make money.
But you
Like
can
I'm
still
not
use
gonna
the
say they
strats
can't
though.
trade.
You
Exactly.
can still use the same
You can
strats.
still use
Just
the same stats for everything.
some markets will have different momentum and all.
In BTC itself, Bitcoin, I can use the same strat.
Yeah,
Literal
bro.
straight, literally the same strat on BTC. Like.
Same things can be used. But like think main thing about like some of these pairs, like it shows like sometimes it's not strong. Like remember that video? This guy that got on a trade. Like, bro,
Oh
this
yeah.
consolidation, like how are you gonna
Consolidation.
trade this?
You can't
A
trade the
consolidation like
consolidation.
this and there wasn't even news coming up, I'm not sure. Maybe here.
What the price is still in this consolidation, man. This one, I
Yeah.
think
It's up to people like
it's up to people
obviously
to do what makes
we're not
sense.
we're not promising like what it is the strats work and everyone knows that.
The start work, yeah.
But it's just up to
It's up to
the
the
person if
individual
they're
at the end of the day.
dedicated enough to actually sit down, study.
It's actually up to the person at the end of the day, bro.
And it
It's the
is,
development of the trader. Like it's
yeah,
how you
exactly.
trade.
And it is like it's a good head, like it's a way better head start than everyone that has to
Yeah.
hop onto YouTube and search up trading for beginners. And then most likely just gets liquidated all the time, gets stopped there. Because they're just trading the same textbook
Yeah,
strategies.
technical strategy, yeah.
And it's just, you'll see lots of different gurus teaching you stupid things. And they just end up wasting your time. At least with the mentorship that Shosky's doing, like, you
Saints.
have access to
Saints.
Saints. Yeah,
Yes, the
Saints.
man.
You have access to a good trader, a very good trader that's getting payouts consistently, and just a good strategy that you can still ask questions and all. Like, the people don't want to ask questions, that's the one they're just missing out on.
Oh, there's
Like,
actually genuine some people that just find so much values in the mentorship itself that the questions that they are going to be answered in the next video, or they've been answered in the videos. And the videos are about 20-30 minutes long. Like I cover a lot of ground. I try to cover a lot of ground because I'm
exactly.
very good at thinking about other people's perspective and how they
And then
think
obviously,
about it.
if anyone has questions on them, then you just ask, like, just to make sure everything's being covered. Like, because who you actually helping if like you're watching the vids, you don't understand something, and then you just leave it.
We're helping absolutely nobody, bro.
But yeah, I think most likely, like especially August, and best time for new people to be studying, and then
Honestly,
start back testing on obviously other years. Like, no, I mean, like you could take small positions on demo, but it's just if your strategy isn't working in consolidation times, then it doesn't mean oh yeah it doesn't work. You
yeah, it's
just
just
trading at the wrong time.
sometimes. This is why I always say this is the development of the trader. You have to understand where your strategy is not going to work, and you have to understand
Yeah,
where it's going to work. So you hone in on the times where it's going to work. Most people know that most people's strategies in Q1 and Q4, you limit the time you trade, you limit how many trades you take. Because people know Q1, Q4. Everybody ups their ramps Q2, Q4. No, Q2, Q3, because everybody knows what happens around them times.
yeah.
It's literally just as simple as that. I actually have a position open, but that's for the signals though. That's for the signals. But Huncho was messing. Don't mind him. I know for a fact. I
Weeks
actually
like
took sales down
these,
to that area of entry. You know, I just took sales down to that area of entry. I'm about to break even. This is my new funded account, so card you up 200. Now,
yeah.
this is this is what I took. You know,
Let me
just
check
implemented
now.
today.
Yeah,
Here's what I took. Obviously, I didn't disclose this. This is only for the VIP Signals channel, and this is a more advanced way, high risk. High. It's not high risk, but it's a higher risk, lower win rates setup right here.
yeah, of course. Like
But
it's just
it is what it is. I'm experienced enough to take stuff like this. I know what price does when price does something like this. Now I'm just I'm just taking like a kind of like it's not a scalp, but it's like
yeah, but like
I
price will
I
most likely come down to there.
if you join the mentorship and you're here and you're gonna be there for a minute, like you know about what I'm doing very quickly. You know about what I'm doing, and
And
I'll be
most
breaking
likely
even
like
soon as well. It's
after
not
you
literally at that time.
literally do 1 month and you actually deep the knowledge and you actually put it into the
Yeah,
chart,
and then you get
you
your few
realize why.
signals, and
Yeah,
you realize why I'm entering positions. Every single time, every single lesson, you're gonna be more and more in in the loop with positions on why I'm entering, why things happen. You're gonna be more and more in the loop. Trading is there's a whole rabbit hole of trading, and I'm still learning as I go.
exactly. Yeah,
There's
so I
no
mean, like
stopping. There's no
at
stopping.
least it won't be like a guru course that's 8 years old and isn't being updated. Like things will be updated.
24/7.
Like
There's gonna be weekly commentaries after the first month.
uh,
I can't do
like even
weekly commentaries now because nobody will understand.
yeah,
But after the
like
first
even
month of
pro
weekly
traders are
commentaries,
still
you have your bias.
yeah, good bias. Obviously, you can still go off to your own bias if you like, but yeah, getting bias backed up by multiple people and buy someone that's made profit.
Do you remember that push up on gold that we all predicted, me, you, and Favor?
Yeah. I was in there times that they're all actually like every day checking charts, like when they're doing all-time highs and all. So 1 month to start, that was like March or so.
Yo, Elon, get a Favor out, but you could talk to the stream if you want, but like I'm on your screen anyway. Look at how price created that equal high, the relative equal high.
Yeah.
Look how price did it, and it's coming back down.
You never know. Like now I'm thinking 3 different things. Price coming down and then just raiding these 211 highs and pushing up. Or price could come up and come down. So just sweep these 211 highs and then come down to this fair value gap. Or just it was just doing whatever it wants to do.
if this 1 hour candle can just go to that fair value gap, then we're
Yeah.
actually good. Without a topic, we're Gucci.
If it's OTE entry or just the fair value gap.
OT is just like a sweet spot to
Exactly.
not to wait too long and not to get in too early.
And you have
Just a sweet spot.
things will be taught.
Wait, what's your OT?
It's just 0.62 to 0.75. But like most
That's the top
like
range.
my higher one will be 0.705. Well, obviously, you know, there's times their price could just hit the 0.6 and then fly off. See, depends. Yeah, I don't know what this could like. Either just come down or just sweep them highs. Come down. Oh,
Could sweep, could actually sweep the eyes.
yeah.
For that. Could actually, you're actually right. Could sweep the eyes. Hopefully it doesn't.
If not, that means you just have to.
No, actually, just count if it does that. Actually,
You just have to give it some breathing room above this high. But
I already gave it. I already gave mine breathing room. Man, favorite likes the mess.
oh man, like just yeah, man. Like if you see the way some people gamble this thing, like I seen the strat, some of it, like just deep. Let me remove this for a second. They'd have like one buy stop there, whatever, one sell stop and all. So you just have two limits on each side, and then if news triggers it, they're in for a short. Stops above this, and if not, they're in for a buy.
Yeah. It does. we give this guy until 11:30. So, done. It's not serious. It's not serious. Bro, we could have had his analysis there. And if he was correct, he would have been gassed. Oh. We'll wait until 11:30 from mine. If it doesn't come, just go.
Sorry.
This is where the discipline comes in. Swap them eyes now.
Yeah, that might be it. The sweep. Honestly.
Screenshot. or you know your man what's his name? Wait. Let me mute the stream real quick.
Yeah. Right, but still, like, fair enough, man. It's only now that he's noticing.
I'm ending the stream, but like,
What?
cause Favor likes the mess. Like we were waiting for this guy to do his own analysis since like fucking messing like oh cooking my stream. Ibra,
Please.
Ibra, did you catch the analysis?
What?
The analysis. Were you here? Were you sleeping?
I was probably asleep. I don't remember that.
You kill me. That's a fact. Actually, you know what? Yeah, actually, I'm gonna hit you on a separate note. I may have a car source this week. Have you fixed the AdBlue?
No.
Bro, So you can't drive now.
Bro,
No, look, I meant to call
he's a killer.
fella. I'm gonna call him now. Actually, it's like,
Alright, go on. Price was supposed to consolidate, like, just generally.
Bitch.
This is Monday for you, though. It's expected. Let me look at my fellow trader Snapchats. Obviously, favor is missing, so I'm gonna be ending this stream. Promise you, favor says anything today, I'm just gonna slap him. Some fellow traders have not posted none today.
No, you didn't even have to post that payout, man. Just let.
Yes, man. Just chilling. I bet you don't
I
really
don't
care,
know.
man.
Just me.
You know, there's 30 guys on my PS now, man. I have like 7 people.
Just let the knowledge speak. It's only now people are seeing.
Look,
It's like,
don't be shit. At the end of the day, like, can't watch another man's, like, I don't know, like, doesn't really matter, you know what I mean? Because at the end of the day, that's my pockets, not yours.
see, you know, in a season, man. Losses. Well, finished losses. Bahamas. Shosky. Yo.
Yeah.
When is his favorite guy gonna come back, man?
Bro, you asked 3 minutes, yeah. I'm running stream. And I forget his analysis. If you ask me anything about his analysis this week, I'm not answering. What lie. He has to redeem himself. Bro, no signals, no nothing. Just flavor. So I said, bro, let's just do mentorship. You don't want to listen. Bro wants to learn in that signal bar, like, bro, don't want to listen, bro. Mentorship is where it's at. And he can mentor as well, because he has his own shit. His own strategy. That's
yo, Saint.
Yo, what's happening?
Yeah, someone's coming down to fix that actually today.
Today, yeah?
Yeah, just gonna delete it from the ECU, and so that it should be fixed.
Okay. That's vexed. So what? He's gonna connect that reader, yo,
Yeah,
and then just
I would have. You know, I could actually just do that myself, but I just don't have it. So
you have to buy that, yo.
yeah,
That's long. What's your name?
sure.
That Jordan fella plays monthly for that 200 or something.
For what?
For that scanning, yo.
He pays monthly for an OBD.
Yeah, because like
You know, just buy it outright.
it's an app. Like he has an OTE.
Oh,
and he has an app.
that. Yeah, I think I've heard of it. Wait, what's it called again?
I don't even know what it's called. He was telling me he pays 200.
Into that.
I don't know. Is that you paid 200 or something for it up front? And
Is it called Carly or something?
Bro, I don't know what it is. All I know is that it has like a dark interface, like
Yeah, it's
like
probably
the background
Carly.
of it is dark.
I don't know, it's better if you have it, like, you know, you won't be wasting money on mechanics and stuff like that.
No. But, yeah, I might have a car source this week later on. 5 Series there. It should be the one I'm looking at right now is in. I think this is a brakes, so not that far. If it goes on, I'll show you quick like a bill or something. Wait,
Yeah, same.
let me see where this is going.
Bro, I'm like, you know what? My next car has to be a Northern Irish Fresh again.
Bro, I'm
Actually, just so
I'm
much handy. It's
I'm
too
I'm
handy.
doing the glitch, bro. I'm doing that glitch, guys.
Well, you know, I'm gonna pattern an address in Belfast or somewhere in Northern Ireland first before I actually do that.
Technically, yeah. Can you patent an address in UK and have another Irish guy?
I don't like you can, but like they'll just look at you like you're weird. Cause like they could just be like, yeah, okay. You could just be like, yeah, okay. You have an address in the UK, but there's a Northern Irish car. Like you're not you're not really gonna drive from the UK
Because
like
technically, I can do that.
onto a ferry. You can, but like they'll just ask for like the ferry ticket or something like that. And then you just don't have it like.
Because what's it called? I can bro, these cars are cheaper, man. Because I could just use my sister's job. That's what I was thinking.
Yeah, I have an address in UK, yeah, but like I don't like it works, but like I don't like after a while they'll just catch you like you're not driving from UK to Dublin every day, every week or every 2 weeks or whatever it is. Like if it's Belfast, it's more realistic. You could just be like, yeah, you came to Dublin for work, you're going back up and down. Like they can't really trash it. But yeah, I don't lie, my cars there are just the value is way better.
Bro, even just kind of what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna get a well fixed crash car, well fixed crash car.
Like bro, like look at the one that I sent to you. Yeah, that one, that dealership one. That one is clean.
Clean, bro.
For that price.
Clean, 26. And oh yeah, you know that car is worth like 40 something.
Yeah, cash.
40 grand.
Cash, easily.
40
No
grand.
miles, bro. The service history is done with Mercedes itself. Like every 10K miles and all.
So like you actually have that document there. You get me? No one can say, oh, because you know the ones that say, oh, it's been serviced every time, but there's no document. Yeah.
Yo. Hello.
Yo.
I'm looking at Bash all time Magic and on gold.
Yeah.
Let me check my screen. Shoski here. Shoski. Yeah, Shoski here. He's just airing. Iman.
Yo.
Yeah, Shoski here. He's just airing.
You see what I think? But he's not speaking.
That's what I'm saying. Iman, you see the mirror? You see the mirror and vision there? Join my stream. You see the mirror and vision there? Like they're just looking for a mirror. But I'm trying to get entry around down here because it isn't the order block here. Can you see it?
Yeah, I'll see it.
So I'm looking for a mirror. You see what I'm going for, right? As in, I'm looking for price to pull back down here to do the exact same thing I did here for a push up again.
Oh, bro's here. One second.
I think like,
but
we're thinking.
Wait.
Yo, turn out, man. Mic is loud.
Restart again, because now I'm on your screen. Start again.
We're thinking There might be just a pusher from today, man. Yeah, but maybe.
I was looking from here as well, from push up here as well, because I did have this mark down. This is the buy I gave, bro. And he took this buy here. And he took that buy here. I'm looking for, that's what I'm saying. We could either get a deeper pull back into here, because in this level there's a support as well, where this bounce up from. So we could get push up from here. That's what I was looking at as well. So that's why I have a buy limit down here, but my stop is deep. But I'd already be risking like 0.5%. That's
I
legit.
see the mirror that you're seeing.
Yeah, I'm looking for the same mirror. But it's either we get a push up from here, the same way we got push up already, and we get a push up for all time highs again, or we get a steeper pullback into here for the push up, you know what I mean?
What we're thinking right now is just price pulling down to this fair value. Where if you can I show my screen now? Can you see my screen?
I'm watching now.
Yeah, so we already swept weekly low, last week's low, and the Friday's low. Now we're expecting this fair value gap to be filled in. We're expecting a pullback then to this fair value gap here, or OTE. But what happened is there's two relevant highs that's being swept first, but there's news at 9. So I don't know, market just might keep moving sideways until
Wait, favor.
sharp movement down and then move.
Like you have a ultra swing trade open. Or what?
It's not open. It's a buy limit from down here. What did you just
What? So for like,
When it's such a buy limit.
so like you're gonna hold out for days, like weeks and
Because I'm
months.
yes, because I'm anticipating prices to do the exact same thing. Pull back down into order block and push up again. That's legit. But I'm assuming it'll probably pull down to maybe here.
Interesting.
What do you say?
That's interesting because with that position you're gonna be in that fit. Like,
yeah, and I've been in for a minute, but like next year.
I think it's gonna be down until next year. I don't think we're breaking all-time highs again this year.
Next year is crazy.
But it's gonna be down to next year, like.
Next year is crazy.
Yeah, I like give me 15 minutes, man.
There's more time. If it's next year, I'll be gone. Like, because like, if we,
Yeah,
like,
'cause
I
that's
don't.
what I'm thinking.
What are you expecting to have
Why
all-time highs?
Don't
why
see
would you
gold
take this
dumping.
type of a trade?
Like, yeah, but Warrior, I don't see gold, the value of gold dumping though.
Oh,
Like,
there's always pullbacks.
Yeah, I know.
No, all these
and the war talks have come down as well. What we're doing is we're kind of anticipating the pullback now.
Kind of is.
I know though.
That's all I'm waiting for now.
I don't know if prices will go up now.
What?
Just because of the pullback. Just because of a discount. Because every single time price went to all-time highs, there was a pullback. Obviously,
we went high to pull back. We went up again. We went high to pull back. I'm looking for the exact same repetition.
No, but if you look at the grand scale of it, yeah, there was a huge push up and there was no pullback. If you look at the usual market maker model, like normal price action, there's always consolidation, then manipulation, then distribution. So if price was to push up higher before pushing lower, then you could expect it to go lower again. If that's how I would. Because right now, yeah, but would you not anticipate it going lower just for you to catch a better entry?
Nah, I'm fine with this stuff.
So then,
because I've been looking at America for a long time. What?
Are you just not gonna trade gold until then?
I'll probably have like I'll probably trade gold. I'm still gonna trade gold cash.
So then,
this is my overall
long position.
Bro, I plan to hold it. I've been saying this for ages.
Yeah, your live account or what?
Funded, pal.
Funded. Ah, that's a stretch.
I just have my one account just open, man. Just sitting there.
Oh, like that one's a stretch, bro.
Man, I don't like, because you never know. Trade could hit, like, could be
It
a
makes sense.
beautiful
It
trade.
would make sense if it was a live account though. Or I don't know about funded. So what? Are you gonna rate? Are you gonna rate?
I don't
Are
see
you
this.
gonna
I don't
wait a
see this
month?
being till next year. I don't see this happening though. Like I don't see it happening in a
Bro,
month. Okay, maybe a
bro,
month. Yeah, cause wait, when did we make the high? Here? We made the high 11th of April. We made this new high.
bro. Look at the monthly candle here. Look at the monthly here. Do you think price will take out all-time highs
Never
this
mind.
month?
Of course not. Of course not this month.
So then,
Over the summer, 100%. Oh, 100%.
fair enough.
100%.
So I think that's the
I'm
analysis.
trying to get the entry for that push.
Nah, favor, you killed me. But
What?
nah, you're just too funny. There he is.
I'm laughing up when the trade hits. I don't want to hear nothing.
I don't know. Like I've never seen you take a trade like this in my life. But it may hit like your own strategy. So.
It is fair play.